When you're out shooting, whether that's photography or videography, your gear either disappears into your flow or it constantly gets in your way. And today there's a third type of camera that's joining the modern content creator's arsenal alongside your phone and your digital camera, and that is the action camera. So I wanted to see how this little accessory, the Telesin StreetGrip Kit, complements it and whether you can really get the most out of this tiny powerhouse. In the box, you'll see you've got to do some minor assembling. You've got the handle grip, an ultra light cage, and this is the same one that is also available separately from Telesin as an alternative to the one that comes from DJI. Now, because of that, easier access to the ports and the compartments, those quick release points and that cold tune mount on top, giving you that modular access to build your perfect setup means that some people actually might find this cage better. You also get a cold shoe button, a wrist strap, and a T-wrench for tightening the handle grip to the cage. Everything here feels all premium from the moment you pick it up. So this is what it looks like when it is fully assembled. So the whole thing is made out of an aluminium alloy. You've got a silicone texture on the grip, and you've got that click movement that actually makes it feel like something that you'd use in photography. Now, I've tried a few handheld rigs and cages for all of my action cameras. Some are either too light or too wobbly, others like overbuilt tanks, and sometimes they just take all the fun out of shooting. As creators, we want something that just feels right in hand, and it's going to be stable enough for handheld video, but also small enough to take anywhere. Now, here's what I'm looking for in this type of setup. A grip that feels natural, almost invisible. The StreetGrip does most of that, but one thing I did notice that wrapping your hands fully around this, which is quite natural, sometimes you can put your finger in the frame, and that's thanks to the Action 5 Pro's wide field of view. It's not ideal for recording, and I found that probably the perfect grip is probably something a bit like that. That sort of thing seems to work. But beyond that, it's modular, it's durable, and honestly just makes me actually just want to go out and shoot. On its own, the camera still usually needs a tripod for some shots, but with this grip, the footprints make spontaneous shooting far easier while still giving you that option to attach a tripod if needed. Now, let's be honest, most of us pick up an action camera and think video, B-roll, vlogs, travel shots, right? I'm guilty of that too. I've never thought about actually using my action camera for photography until recently. Now, because action cameras like these are changing the game, like this one in particular, it's got that 1/1.3 inch sensor, the raw photography support, the HDR mode, and really good low light capability for a device this size. So in the correct conditions, you can actually pull real detail, real color into raw images taken with this. And then suddenly it's just not just a video box anymore. And this is where this StreetGrip really shines. It's not just about stabilization, it gives you control. It feels like holding a mini camera, framing shots, staying steady, switching from landscape to portrait. It's smooth and almost feels right. Now, we've always talked about the run and gun video setups. Maybe this is the start of the run and shoot photography setups with action cameras too. As I mentioned before, in the hand it's solid, no rattles, no creaks. The silicone texture gives a confident grip even when the hands are sweaty. I've tried walking, jogging, filming at chest height. It absorbs those micro vibrations better than most handheld grips I've used in this sort of size class. Now, as we've seen previously with these Telesin cages, that quick release system is really clever. I could move my camera from the StreetGrip to a tripod or a bag mount in seconds, and that's the kind of workflow that you want when you're creating on the move. Now, it's not all perfect. It's a bit heavier than some of the plastic grips, but with that you're getting that drop protection and durability. You overload it with too many accessories, it starts to get top heavy, and while the quick release is solid, you'll want to double check the tightness every so often if you're moving fast. And I did mention about that gripping issue as well with the wide field of view. Now, one thing I have noticed about especially this trigger here is just how sensitive it is. I mean, it's a good thing for being able to just capture things like really quickly. As you can see there, like it's pressed really easily. But I've noticed because this is so sensitive, I think I put this in my bag, and when I was putting it in, it tapped it slightly, which caused it to start recording, and then I didn't notice for quite a while, and then I had a 3-hour-long recording saved on here, and the battery was also dead. So just make sure when you are storing this, it might just be worth just taking this off just because it is sensitive to hitting that trigger button there. But honestly, those trade-offs I can live with. The StreetGrip Kit gives me more freedom with photography from the action camera. I'm not fighting my rig anymore. It's compact, it's strong, it's versatile, and it's made me actually want to use my action camera more for both video and photography. And if you're building a fast run and gun setup around your DJI action camera, then this might be a useful addition to your setup. One of the good things about this type of setup is that when it's raining, because my normal camera isn't waterproof, I can still take photos with this. So definitely a good bonus to still be able to take photography with some sort of setup. Now, huge thanks again to Telesin for sending this over. It's greatly appreciated. I'll have links to this in the description below. Now, if you're looking for your first free must-have accessories, if you've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, then you need to check out this video next. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.